Good afternoon, you guys. This is Matt Tognacci with Sunny Pressure Washing. We are out in the terrific Spring Branch area right now. I'm with Mr. Young Kyle and Mr. Young Julian. We are cleaning these windows, getting them looking nice and pretty for this wonderful customer. You can see Julian's scrubbing away on the window pane. Kyle's over here treating the brick stones, getting them looking really nice and pretty. You can see the chemicals starting to work in, soak in, and get everything a lot brighter than it was before. Here's a before-after difference. So just wanted to take a video to show you guys what we're doing. We are out doing essentially a full service residential cleaning. So we're getting the windows up on the 3rd floor, all the brick. We did the house wash earlier, and now Kyle's going around getting the nitty-gritty detail stuff behind the columns. So everything's looking good. We hope the customer will be very happy. We'll be happy once it's done, and that's our goal. So I just want to show you guys what we're doing. We got our really cool, nice professional equipment set up, and we're excited to deliver the customer a great experience. So after this, we're gonna go knock on some doors, give them some cards, and see if we can't help some more people get some good work done for a great price and great quality. So yeah, just show you guys again what we're doing. See, Kyle's getting that, Julian's coming down the ladder safely. So we're in the beautiful land of America, where we're grateful to work every day. So thank you guys very much.